Hey tartelettes, it's Iggy. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply foundation using our Sea Water Foundation. So if you guys want to see how to get a flawless finish, just stay tuned and keep watching. Now to apply the foundation today, I am going to be using our Aqua Flash foundation brush. This is a vegan and cruelty-free foundation brush. The bristles here are very soft. It's going to give you a very perfect and flawless finish. Now with our water foundation, it does come with a dropper here, as you can see. So what I like to do is put it on the back of my hand. I do about 2 drops. And I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just kind of stipple it on the back of my hand. Now I like to work in different sections of my face at a time. So I usually start in the cheek area. So I do little stippling motions like so. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start buffing that into the skin. And I'm going to do that all the way until I get to the temples and then down to the jawline. So this foundation gives you a very skin-like finish. It's going to leave your skin looking very luminous, hydrated, and just overall natural, which is great if you're looking for something for every day. Now I'm going to start on the forehead on this side. Just start buffing that in. So when applying this also, a good tip is to always do kind of circular motions when you're buffing it in, because sometimes when you do application it can be really streaky if you're just kind of doing this. So it's best to kind of stipple the product on and then start doing circular motions as you're buffing in. Alright, so here is one side with the foundation on. As you can see, it is super natural looking and it gives a nice pretty luminosity to the skin. It's very natural and that's what I really love about this foundation. And then this is the side without it. As you can see, I have a little bit of redness and some blemishes here and there. And this just covered it all up. I also want to mention that this foundation is buildable, so if you want to do a more natural medium coverage, you can. Alright guys, so application is finished with the foundation. Look how super natural and luminous it really just looks on the skin. And the really nice thing about this too is that I find if you want to, you can wear it by itself and not put a setting powder on. That's what I personally do with this foundation for me. But if you did want to put this with a setting powder, you also can do that as well. Now, just to remind you guys, so you remember the 2 key steps to getting a really flawless application is to stipple and buff into the skin. That's what's going to give you a very flawless, even coverage. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you guys want us to do more tutorials like this, comment down below in the comment section. And as always, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.